Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DigitalOcean Droplets for VPS deployment, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with DigitalOcean Droplets for VPS deployment, begin by navigating to the DigitalOcean website. Click on the Sign Up button located on the top right corner of the homepage. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password for your account. Once you complete this step, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link in your email to verify your address. After verification, you will be redirected back to the DigitalOcean website. Next, fill in your personal information as required. You may also be asked to select your country and enter payment details. Choose a payment method that suits you, such as credit card or PayPal. Once your payment information is confirmed, log in to your DigitalOcean account. On the dashboard, locate the Create button, usually found at the top right corner. Select Droplets from the drop-down menu. You will now reach the Droplets creation page. Begin by choosing the operating system for your VPS. DigitalOcean offers a variety of distributions like Ubuntu, CentOS, and more. Next, select the size of your droplet based on your resource needs. Consider factors like CPU, memory, and storage when making your selection. After choosing the droplet size, you can select additional options if needed. This includes backups, monitoring, and private networking. Next, choose your data center region. Select a location that is geographically close to your target audience for optimal performance. You can also add SSH keys here for secure access. If you do not have an SSH key, DigitalOcean provides information on how to create one during this step. Once all choices are made, you can name your droplet. Confirm all your settings and click the Create Droplet button. Your droplet will now be provisioned, which typically takes a few moments. Once complete, you will see your droplet listed on your dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.